Here are my picks for the top 5 restaurants with the best views in LA. Los Angeles is a beautiful city with lovely weather year-round. From mountains that are covered in snow in winter to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. It is not surprising that Los Angeles has many restaurants with great views and outdoor dining. Here are my choices for the top 5 restaurants with the best views in LA in random order. Follow my channel. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. Your support will help me create more content. Get notified when a new video is posted. My first pick is Spire 73, which is the highest bar and restaurant in the Western Hemisphere. On the 73rd floor of the Intercontinental Hotel downtown. This bar has fire pits and cozy seats while you admire the view. The food is just okay, but the drinks and views are incredible. My second pick is EP and LP in West Hollywood, bordering Beverly Hills. Spread over 2 floors in an independent building, it has a rooftop bar with great views of the Hollywood Hills. Very popular with locals, you could find yourself hobnobbing with celebrities. The drinks, especially the cocktails, are excellent and the food is very good. But the best part is watching all the rich and famous Angelenos. If you have time, catch a movie next door at the Melrose Rooftop Theater. Number 3 is Yamashiro in Hollywood. A Japanese palace built in 1914 with extensive gardens fell into disrepair and was slated for a teardown. Luckily, it was redeveloped and is now one of LA's most iconic restaurants. Sitting on a hill above Hollywood Boulevard, it has the best views of Tinseltown. Don't forget to stroll the extensive gardens with a 600-year-old pagoda either before or after a meal. My number 4 pick is Moonshadows in Malibu. It is perched on the Pacific Ocean with waves crashing just below the outdoor deck. Catch the sunset on the open deck while sipping on a cocktail. Hang out with the rich and famous. A great place for people watching. You might just see a famous celebrity, especially on a weekday. Before I get to my number 1 pick, just a reminder, please remember to like and subscribe for more great content. My number 1 pick is 71 Above in downtown LA. On the 71st floor of the U.S. Bank Tower, it is the highest restaurant west of the Mississippi. The stunning views are complemented by the outstanding food, drinks, and service. This is a place for a special occasion and one that you will remember forever. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you have any other recommendations? Please let me know.